Namaste friends, what's up and welcome back to my channel Independent Compass. This is gonna be my second vlog in which I am going to a very beautiful place in South India. So which is that place? It is Ooty, which is located in Tamil Nadu. So I am gonna share all of my experiences starting from where did I stay till what all did I do in Ooty only in this particular video. So don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the bell icon to get more exciting updates just like this vlog. Talking about the road trip, Ooty is nearly 700 kilometers far from Belgavi, and if I travel there by road, it is gonna take me approximately 13 hours to reach there. And I will be starting this journey today midnight. So just stay tuned till the end of this video and I will directly start vlogging at midnight now. So hello friends, now it is 2 o'clock in the morning and I am excited. So yeah, let's get started. During our journey, we stumbled upon a cathedral known as the Saint Philomena's Cathedral, which is located in Mysore. From my perspective, I think that the architecture of this cathedral is just mind blowing. After some time, we were on the road which was about to lead us to Ooty through a forest which was located on the borders of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And guess what? This forest was also a part of the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. While in the forest and the wildlife, we came over different animals such as deers and elephants enjoying their natural habitat. Hello friends, so we are finally in Ooty right now, as you can see behind me. So I reached Ooty at near to 4 o'clock, and now it's 5:30 in the evening, and I got freshened up by the time, and now I'm gonna take a nap, and then I will meet you directly in the evening so that I can take you like near to 7:30 in the sense, so that I can take you to a very good and very famous and old restaurant in Ooty, which is famous for its Chinese food. And just a matter of fact, it's really cold out here. It is 12 degrees Celsius and I'm literally freezing out here. This is the hotel I'm staying in, which is RK Holiday Homes. I will also take you to the rooms I have got in this hotel. This is the room which we got, which had a pretty average bedroom and a attached bathroom, and also a balcony with a very beautiful scenic beauty. So, as I was talking about one of the oldest and the best food restaurants in Ooty, I was talking about the Shinkows Restaurant. This restaurant has been standing here since past 60 years and is having one of the best quality of foods, and the rate is very much budget friendly. So I woke up today and I went for breakfast now to a very good restaurant out here, which is known as Ruchi Bhavanam. Talking about this restaurant, it is perfect for breakfast where you are getting a wide range of South Indian meals. So now after having breakfast, I am going to the Doddabetta Peak, which is the highest peak in Ooty. So yeah, let's get started. This Doddabetta Peak is at a height of 2637 meters above the sea level, being the third highest peak in South India. After Doddabetta Peak, we are now going to a place which produces something for which Ooty is really known for. Can you guess what is it? If you had guessed tea or chocolates, you are absolutely correct. We are now in the tea factory and the chocolate factory of Ooty. Inside the tea factory, we saw different machines which were used to create tea from the tea leaves. Further, we were also served with a hot cup of tea, which was, I think, actually needed in that cold weather. Outside the factory, there were shops selling tea and different types of natural oils, just like the eucalyptus oil and other oils, which you can buy for a very budget friendly amount. Next up, we went to the chocolate factory, which was connected with the tea factory altogether, and we saw chocolates being prepared from cocoa beans to very different bars of chocolates. After that, in the evening, we went to the Botanical Garden of Ooty, where we saw different species of flowers, plants, and trees. Yeah, this is my second day in Ooty. So today I'm going to Coonoor, where I will do a lot of sightseeing and stuff. We have booked a car from our hotel so that we can go there, do a lot of sightseeing. And while coming back from Coonoor to Ooty, I and like my whole family, we will be coming back via the toy train, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So it's gonna be very interesting and the best part of journey today. So yeah, let's get started. While on a trip to Coonoor, we came over our first sightseeing, which was the tea gardens. Next up, after the tea gardens, we went to the second sightseeing, which was the Dolphin Nose viewpoint. We got a very beautiful view of the scenic beauty of Ooty once again from this viewpoint. We even saw the Catherine waterfalls from this viewpoint, which is also a famous waterfall in Ooty. Soon there took place a very hilarious moment on the Dolphin Nose viewpoint where we saw a monkey eating flowers and then we saw the same monkey eating chocolates. Why was it even eating chocolates and where did it even get it from? Oh my god. After sharing this moment, I finally reached the Coonoor station around like 12:09 in the afternoon. And what can be worse than your train getting late by 45 minutes? Yeah, by 45 minutes. Sharing of facts, this Nilgiri Mountain Railway line was constructed between 1886 and 1899 to connect two places which were Mettupalayam and Coonoor. This Nilgiri Mountain Railway line rises above 6,159 feet above the sea level, and in the year 2005 this railway line was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Isn't that interesting? Now, finally, after a big journey of 1 hour, we are back at Ooty. I would say this was a really fun experience and I enjoyed it a lot. So today is my last day in Ooty and it is more of like a religious day out as I am gonna visit a temple in Ooty, and I guess that will be all for this trip. So yeah. So this was the temple of which I was talking about. This temple is known as the Murugan Temple. So that is it for this vlog, guys. If you really enjoyed it, please like, and I will directly meet you in my next video. Until then, bye and have a great day ahead. But wait, don't go too early. You know what to do before you leave. Hit that subscribe button anyhow you like it, just hit it.